What are we to do?
Said Miss Penguin as she hung out her washing. Whoops! Off flew one socks, then two. The socks went swooping on the wind and fell over to the wood. One landed on Squirrel Flop. One landed on Mouse Flop. Ah, what I need, said Squirrel. A hat. A sleeping bag to keep me warm, said Mouse. The wind blew and blew. Whoops! Off flew more of Miss Chitney's washing. It all went into the woods. Look at me! Look at me! Nice and cozy! It got dark. The wind blew. Miss Penguin's store. Whee! Miss Penguin was cold without her blanket. Shiver, shiver. But the animals and birds were warm under and in, and on the big tree in the wood. Whee! The wind blew harder. The tree began to creak, 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 crash, smash. The tree fell. Ow! Ow, no! No, it has nowhere to live. Mouse and Squirrel and Owl and Fox went up the hill. Knock, knock, knock. Soon nobody was cold anymore. Snore. Split, splat. It was a wet day outside and inside Miss Chitney's house. Oh no, the roof has gone a hole in it, said Miss Chitney. Said Miss Penguin. Crash! Some of the roof fell on the floor. Split, splat, splot.
I haven't got enough money to pay a bill that demanded,
said Miss Penguin.
Now I have nowhere to live.
Don't worry, said Fox. We will all have to get the money to pay for a new roof. You helped us, and we will help you. Yes, we will. We can sell things, said Owl. Fox and Squirrel took all Miss Chitney's furniture outside. Mouse made a sign. Nobody wanted to buy anything.
Would you like to buy this chair?
No, it's broken.
It's old too. Teddy.
Says Miss Penguin. Don't worry, said Squirrel. We will make it all nicer. Mouse and Squirrel and Owl and Fox set to work. Soon everybody wanted to buy things. Miss Chitney has enough money to pay the builder. There was even enough money left over to pay for buns for tea. Hooray! It's even better than it was before. Miss Penguin and Mouse and Owl and Fox and Squirrel had a nice house to live in. But it was empty. But it was an empty house.
Why can't we sit down? We must make a new furniture. I have
Said
an
Miss Penguin.
idea. Follow me.
Miss Penguin took out some tools. Off they went to the woods.
We will make your old home into things for our home.
Miss Penguin told the animals. They all set to work again. Fox made bowls and cups. Miss Penguin cut logs to make a table and stool. The sun shone and Miss Penguin sang.
So, let's make some more.
Squirrel and Mouse wove hammocks for beds. Owl made a broom to sweep the house clean. Miss Penguin put a soil into the pot. She put in something else. What is that?
It's a seed. It needs soil and water and sunshine, and then it will grow into a new tree.
Said Miss Penguin.
What? When it is big enough, we will plant it in the wood where your whole tree was.
That made Mouse and Fox and Owl and Squirrel and all the birds and animals very happy. And Miss Penguin was happy too. The end. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my Haley-licious channel. Bye. Hope you enjoy this video.